Now let's go to quit, and we're going to add mouse left pressed again. But this time we're going to come down to the main 2, and we're going to put this in, right, in the game. And we want to hit OK and OK for those 2. Now, we need to put some cheat codes in. So let's go back over here to the object ball, and let's put some cheat codes in. All right, so I want to put in so insert, okay. So I want to add an event, and I'm going to do a keyboard event. And in the keyboard event, I want to make the space bar stop the ball, right? So, oh, and I want it down here. I want it under the pressed. Why is it? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and tell it that I want this to affect the movement. So when the space bar is hit, the diagonals go to 0. Remember that speed? We're going to make it go to 0. All right. Now to reactivate it, we're going to add an event, keyboard again, and we're going to do the enter key. And the enter key is going to restart it. So we'll bring that in here and do the diagonals again and make it back to 10. Right? Hit OK. All right. So that's a cheat code that we just put in so that we can test our different layers. Make sure that we have this all done correctly. All right. With that, what we're going to do is we're going to test our coding so far. All right. Here it comes. All right. All right. There's 1. And I'm going to stop it. And then I'm going to do 10. And there's my next screen. All right. And then my final screen that's going to go all over the place. All right. I'll stop it. All right. Congratulations. You are a winner. Now, if I wanted to play again, it should set to 0. And it did. And stop that ball again. All right, this time I'm going to quit, and let's make sure it worked. All right, it quit. Now, what I want you to do, and you're going to be tasked with this, is I want you to create another screen that will go before all these screens, and this will be the instructions. How do you play the game? It's a left mouse click to score, next 10, or 10 scores moves you to the next level. So I want you to do that yourself. You should know how to do it. If you follow the tutorial, you should be able to add all the things. I'm not going to answer that question for you. I want to see if you can do this by yourself. If you're unsure how to do it, re-watch the video and look at the coding that you've already done, and that will help you make the initial screen. All right? Then relabel each one of these screens to be the instructions, level 1, level 2, level 3, and winner. That's what I would like you to relabel these at. All right? Thank you for listening, and I hope everybody had a good time, and hope that it's not too confusing. Again, rewatch the video if you're having any problems.